What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. GPP Pump, man. And for all you guys that know me, no, it's not just about muscles. It's not just about bodybuilding. It's also about cars, man. I love cars. And I want to take you guys on, I want to show you guys a car that's very special to me. Something that I want to show you guys the whole build. So I figured why not just put it on the YouTube channel as well. Boom. It's my 1967 Mustang. I got it a while back, and like right now I have the best opportunity to work on it. And at the same point in time, since I have the opportunity to work on it, why not show you guys the full build, right? Only makes sense. Pretty much, I got this car about 4 years ago, and I haven't even had a chance to really work at it at all, man, at all. To basically start it off, it's pretty much all original with some good aftermarket parts. You guys see here that shit ass Dodge. Anyways, it's been painted. The paint is honestly really good. It has 17-inch American Racing wheels. It's been converted to 5-bolt and disc. It does have a 8.8 rear end with a 373 gear. It's also been upgraded to a 5-speed T5, as well as this. Boom. For everybody who doesn't know, it's a 302 SPF, small block Ford. You know, this motor came out of, everything pretty much came out of a 1988 Mustang. As you guys can see, it is pretty clean other than the wiring. Like, I'm not too happy with that, but beggars can't be choosers at this time. I will be working on it and cleaning everything up. All right. There it is. It's also been slightly lowered. It sits on Lakeland struts in the rear. I haven't converted the rear to disc yet, but I will be doing that in the future. I will be taking you guys on as well, showing you guys that upgrade. The battery has been mounted in the rear. It does have a new fuel cell in it as well. Cobra cap, really beautiful Cobra cap on it as well. Also, it did come with frame connectors. It has a Cobra drop. It has a Cobra drop on the front as well. Does need to go a little bit more lower, but I'll be taking you guys on, showing you guys the whole build. Pretty much, what I will be building is a replica Trans Am car, so it will be getting widened fenders. I love these wheels, but I do want more wider, so I received some CCW 3-piece wheels that I will be basically taking them from 7.5. No, sorry, they're 8.5 wide to possibly 10 all around. So that should be pretty cool to show you guys as well. Now, the interior, because that's where this baby has its most issues, is the interior. So I stripped it down. Stripped it down. It really is clean. It really is clean. Obviously, plans are to strip the rest of it down. On this side, it needs a new floor pan, which is fine. I will be flocking the dash as well as other parts that I do put in here, and whatever doesn't get flocked, I might be doing in carbon as well. It will also receive a dash. A roll cage. What am I saying? Dash. yeah, overall, like I said, I'm very happy with this, with the car I picked up, especially for the price. And what better way to show you guys than to just put it on my YouTube. Now, if you guys are car fans like I am, please don't hesitate to go on my YouTube, like and subscribe, and comment. All right. Anyways, GBP out.